Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here. This one is a trade-in. This is a 2021 25-horse Mercury long shaft with power tilt. This is a tiller. This one came back 115 psi, 110 psi, and 115 psi. This is a 3-cylinder. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new engine oil, new gear lube, and fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Does have a check engine light, pops on every time you start it, and then it goes away. This one does have the shift in the handle. Go ahead and give it a second here. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. These are kind of goofy how this throttle works. It's got to line up perfectly to start it, so I got to play with it a little bit. But neither the cable or the spring, nothing's wrong with them. It just lines up goofy. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.